going to learn sound of letter G and H with bird hunting and story. So this is letter G. G is for grass. G, g, grass. G is for gun. G, g, gun. G is for goat. G, g, goat. G is for grapes. G, g, grape. So the sound of letter G is G, G, G. Now it's time for the story of sound letter G.
Geeta is a little girl. She is staying with her granny, who has a big garden with so many goats. She likes to eat grapes and then she drinks the water and gargle. The sound is like g g g g g g. Yes, the sound of G is g g g g g g.
Is letter H. H is for hen. H, h, hen. H is for horse. H, h, horse. H is for hat. H, h, hat. H is for house. H, h, house. Yes. So the sound of H is now it's time for the story of letter H. Let's begin.
Helen and Harry pop as fast as they can. But it is a hot day, so hopping is a hard work. Helen is hopping and puffing by the time. Ha 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 ha. Yes, the sound of H is